Are you trying to bake cake for the first time, and are you struggling with it because you don't know how to make it soft or fluffy? Worry not, I'm at your aid. Yes, you are the reason I'm here today. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I've added a tablespoon of baking powder, then half a teaspoon of salt. I've mixed it very well. I'll set it aside in another bowl. I have 2 sticks of butter. I've added 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can actually add more sugar or less. So I'll go ahead and add my 5 eggs, but it will be one after the other. So I added some more sugar because when we are dressing the cake, the icing that we'll be using contains a lot of sugar, and I don't like sugar as well. Okay, so I've added the wet ingredient we mixed earlier to the wet one we mixed. Okay, so that is what you are seeing, and I added it bit by bit. So after that, I'll go ahead and add half cup of heavy cream. I actually love heavy cream in my cake. So I've added 2 cups of whole milk, and I added it bit by bit. So that is a tablespoon of red food color. You can actually use any food color of your choice, but this food color I used, if I am not careful and I want it very deep red, I may end up using about 2 bottles, okay, which I don't want to add a lot. So I just added just a tablespoon, and this is what we have. But I like it like that. It's nice. So I'm just going to pour it in my baking pan, but I wish it was very deep red. Okay, but this color too is okay. I will just take it like that. So if you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you smash on the red button and the bell icon for more updates, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much. And let's put this in our oven. After 40 minutes, this is how it is looking. And if you insert the stick in the cake and it looks like this, it means it is not ready. But if it is like this, it means it is ready. If it is clean, it means it is ready. Do not insert it whilst you've brought the cake outside, but the cake should be in the oven before you insert it. So I sent it behind the scene to dress it, okay, to dress the cake. I thought it is going to take a lot of time. That is why I didn't show it in the camera, okay. And actually it was the first time I was doing it. So this is how it looks, and it is very fluffy. I put it in the fridge. That is why you are seeing it stiff like that. So I'm just going to cut some and put it in the microwave and let you see how fluffy this looks. You know, I will never bring you a cake that is rigid. Can't wait. You see how soft it is. When you put it in your mouth, it just melts. It melts like I say ukwa somu. Hey, it was my say. So that is how the cake taste. When you put it in your mouth, it melts. Thank you for watching to this point, and please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe for me and follow me on Facebook at Elizabeth Mommy's Recipe. Thank you. After I finished making this, I got some money. We'll talk about it. See you in the next video.